What powers the sun? What powers nuclear reactors? And what created the most powerful weapons ever built by humans? The answer lies inside the atom. At the heart of every atom lies its nucleus, made of protons and neutrons. Under extreme conditions, this nucleus can change, releasing enormous amounts of energy. These changes are called nuclear reactions, and the two most important types are fusion and fission. Nuclear fusion happens when two light atomic nuclei combine to form a heavier one. When they fuse, a small amount of mass is converted directly into energy, according to Einstein's equation, E equals mc squared. Fusion requires extreme temperatures and pressures millions of degrees, which is why it naturally occurs in stars. The sun shines because hydrogen nuclei fuse into helium, releasing energy that reaches Earth as light and heat. Fusion is the most powerful energy source in the universe. Scientists are working to recreate fusion on Earth as a clean and nearly limitless energy source. If controlled successfully, fusion could provide massive energy with minimal radioactive waste. However, achieving stable fusion on Earth remains one of the greatest scientific challenges. Nuclear fission is the opposite process. A heavy atomic nucleus, such as uranium or plutonium, splits into smaller nuclei when struck by a neutron. This split releases energy and more neutrons, which can trigger a chain reaction. Fission reactions are easier to control than fusion, but they produce radioactive waste. Nuclear power plants use controlled fission reactions to generate electricity. By carefully managing the chain reaction, energy is released slowly and safely. Today, fission provides a significant portion of the world's low-carbon electricity, but it also raises concerns about safety and waste storage. When nuclear fission or fusion is released uncontrollably, the result is an atomic bomb. Fission bombs split heavy nuclei in a rapid chain reaction. Fusion bombs, also called hydrogen bombs, use fusion reactions triggered by a fission explosion. These weapons release energy millions of times greater than conventional explosives. Nuclear reactions represent both humanity's greatest power and greatest responsibility. The same physics that can destroy cities can also power civilizations. How we choose to use nuclear energy defines our future. Fusion builds energy by joining atoms. Fission releases energy by breaking them apart. Both reveal a profound truth. Inside every atom lies extraordinary power. But if atoms can release so much energy, what else is hiding inside the smallest building blocks of reality? Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video, and stay curious.